Day 2 in the week-long preliminary hearing that could determine whether Charlie Kirk's accused killer will be put on trial. A series of new evidence presented by prosecutors in court for the first time, including the suspect, Tyler Robinson's possible motive, new surveillance video of Robinson before and after the shooting, and new details on how he turned himself in. Our Brian Entin, live outside the courthouse, Provo, Utah tonight with the very latest. Brian?
Yeah, Blake, we learned a lot in court today, day 2 of the preliminary hearing. First of all, you were just showing that surveillance video. There's a lot of video we haven't seen. They basically were able to track Tyler Robinson all over the UVU campus before the shooting, during the shooting, and then after the shooting, and he came back and forth several times. Something we didn't know, that they said that they actually saw him go to Chick-fil-A on campus and that he sat down for a meal before allegedly shooting and killing Charlie Kirk. Motive, though, motive was perhaps the biggest headline of the day. We haven't heard the prosecutor talk about motive before, but today the prosecutor said that Tyler Robinson had what he described as the other side viewpoints on issues like gay issues, LGBTQ issues, trans issues, and that was the motivation for why Tyler Robinson wanted to kill Charlie Kirk. Listen to what the prosecutor said.
That's the relevance of this statement, is it shows Charlie Kirk publicly in front of large gatherings of people debated and presented his views, his political views, which were tied to his religious views about gender identity, LGBTQ rights type issues. And the relevance to that is the defendant's motive is that he was on the other side of those views.
DNA also coming up today. There was an FBI analyst that was on the stand talking about all of the DNA results. Interesting, she explained that Tyler Robinson's roommate and romantic partner, Lance Twiggs, his DNA was also on some of the evidence found at the scene, a towel and also a screwdriver. She explained that would make sense in some ways because they live together in the same apartment, but still brings up a lot of questions about Lance Twiggs. He's sort of been the mystery in all of this. Blake, we know that they're going to play a recording from him, that he's received some kind of immunity, but beyond that, we still don't know much about exactly what he knows. Blake?
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.